Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amit Bishnoi, consultant pediatrics at Alchemist Hospital, Panchkula. Today I will be discussing about complementary feeding and how to introduce solids in babies who are on breastfeed. As we all know, the nature has given a gift of breast milk for the babies that is ideal food till the 6 month of age. And the things get little troubling for the parents when we start other than milk after 6 months of age. So first of all, we should start a particular food and we try for 7 days. Suppose we started with rice, so the next food should be introduced, like we want to introduce a yellow dal, that should be starting after 1 week, so that we can see how baby is reacting to rice. So once the baby has been introduced a particular food and we have given for 7 days and baby is accepting well and there is no reaction to that, we can safely introduce the next food. So the third food, again, when we introduce after 1 week of second food introduction, so likewise we keep on adding one food at a time, so to and keep check on the reactions to that. Another aspect is how we should introduce the solids. The first 6 to 8 months we give mashed rice, dal or mashed fruits like banana or steamed or stewed apple after removing their skin, and subsequently we add vegetables, green vegetables along with these cereals and fruits. After the 9 month you can give semi-solid, like little firmer food, like dalia, like in oats, like suji kheer, that kind of food we can introduce after 8 months of age. The first and foremost about maintaining hygiene while preparing food is very important. So before preparing you should wash your hands. The utensils should be washed, freshly washed and clean. And when we introduce or when we start eating, baby should be in sitting position. There should be no distraction like many parents do, like they start videos on the TV or on mobile phones and they just feed them passively. Baby doesn't get idea about what he is eating. He is not concentrated on taste, texture of the food, but they are more inclined towards the what you have provided, a distraction. Even a toy is also a distraction. So when baby is given a particular food, it should be a food and the environment should be without any distractions. Secondly, you should offer a particular amount of food in separate plate. They should not be given from your plate because the parents will not get to know how much baby has taken. So anytime you introduce a food, it should be in their plate or their baby plate or any katori. It should be their own plate. As far as possible, you should enjoy the food along with the baby so that you give pleasurable experience or environment while feeding. Another important aspect after 1 year of age, like what we say is family pot feeding. So baby can eat whatever the family eats, only except that there should not be strong flavors. The food should not be heavily spicy. Third thing I was trying to discuss about the milk introduction. So what we say is no animal milk should be given to baby during the first year of life. Like when you start after 6 months, you have a liberty to give other milk other than breastfeed. So when you introduce other milk, it should be formula milk or the breastfeed. If it is sufficient, then you should not, even you cannot give other milk also. And the animal milk products like paneer, any kheer you have made in cows or any animal milk should not be given during the first year of life, because any animal milk will have a chance of giving allergic tendency to your baby. especially related to the chest, like coughing, repeated episodes of coughing that require nebulizations, Another is repeated episodes of loose motions that can be secondary to introduction of animal milk before 6 years, before 1 year of age, and the chances of anemia and growth failure are more with the babies who are given animal milk before 1 year of age. So at the end of talk, I would like to stress upon two things. One thing, first is like proper introduction of solids after 6 months of age with no distraction, and another is no animal milk till 1 year of age.